Hi everyone, so today's meeting will be to go over our ProColor Hub. So first of all, how to log into our ProColor Hub? Well, first of all, you have to go to our public website. So type ProColorCollision.com, and then once you're on our homepage, you'll see the on the top right end, you'll see the link called the Hub. So you simply have to call the Hub, and then you'll access our homepage. So it will ask you your username and password. So you have to contact your implementation manager, and they will provide you your username and your password. So here is our ProColor Hub. So first of all, this is the homepage. You do have your menu on the left pane. So you can click on this button and it will expand or collapse the left pane. And then if you go on the top right here, you see you can change the language, hit French if you want to have the French version, and then this is the region and it will be automatically updated by using your username. If you click on here, this is your profile. So you simply have to, if you want to log out and access with another username, this is where you would log out to your ProColor Hub. And if you click on profile, then this is where you can create your signature, your email signature. You just have to fill the information and then you click copy to clipboard, and then you can copy that signature to your Outlook mail address. So now let's focus on let's review the ProColor Hub. So when you go on the homepage, you have some sliders here and you can always click the arrows and switch and see what's available for you here. And you do have as well some tiles on the bottom of the screen, which is a kind of a shortcut to this specific categories. So you do have operation, online boutique, contacts, and the ProColor news. So if you click on one of these, like this one, the news, then it will be automatically bringing you to that news table, which is, you can access that news from the left menu as well. If you click here on the news here. Okay, so this is the news. So you can click on any of the news. So if you want to read more, you just have to click and then you'll have the full article displayed for you here. Okay, so let's review the dashboard. So the dashboard will be some reporting accessible for you. So what we will be doing is that we'll pull some data out of your management system and feed the dashboard here, this is just an image. It's not live, but this is an overview of what it will look like. So you'll be able to compare your shop with the national average and each region and province. You'll be able to compare your shop name, your shop with your regions regarding specific KPIs. So that will be reviewed with your SPD, so with your strategic partner developer. He will coach you on those KPIs to help achieve better performance. Then we do have the NPS section, which is still in development here. As you can see, if you click on NPS documents, it says no documents because we're working on the NPS survey. So as soon as the NPS survey is done, then you'll have access to some reporting and the detail of the survey. Then we do have the full version of operations. Again, keep in mind, this is still in development, so we'll keep adding and remove some stuff. You'll get some notification. We're also working on a notification system. So as soon as we're uploading or removing some documents, you'll get a notification instead of receiving emails. So our IT department are working on that. So operations, this is some documents that you'll be able to access. So you do have best practices. So some articles and documents. So just to explain what you see here, if you click on the categories, for us, this is called the categories. So if you click here, you'll be able to expand or collapse the menu. And here, mirror hanger, this is the title of the documents. And here, this is when it was updated. And this is a description of that specific documents. If you click here, you'll see the document. So I clicked on mirror hanger, so you can see the mirror hanger from there. You just have to close the tab and then it will bring you back to the hub. So you can always either click on here to access the mirror hanger, or you click on the documents and it will be displayed. We do have some user guides created for you. So user guides on how to use your management system. So same concept title of the document, description. You can access the document by clicking on the PDFs. We do have some information related to Mitchell, so the contact information in the Mitchell My Portal to have other training. Okay, let's continue with the COVID section. So COVID section, we've created some documentation for you guys to use on a daily basis. So you do have some social media postings. So if you want to post something on Facebook, LinkedIn, this is the documents that you should be using, some posters that you should be using in all time at your shop. If an employee have the COVID-19, this is our protocols that you should be following. We're always updating this piece, so you'll get a notification every time we're adding or removing something for you guys, but this is the COVID section for you. We've created the day in a life section. So this is a kind of a job description per role, per title. So body technician, customer service, a representative, and then we have estimator, the paint technician, and the shop manager. So this is basically explaining what are the tasks that has to be performed per day. So we do have like a specific checklist that has to be reviewed with that person that will perform that job at your location. Then we do have the HR tab, which is the checklist and subject job descriptions. We will add the editable version for you. So you'll be able to make your own job descriptions. This section, preferred suppliers, is still in development. So you will find some contacts info, some pricing structure, some program details here. So you just have to go on the hub and you'll see we'll moving forward, we'll keep adding some documents for you guys. ProColor repair flow. So this is where we'll be focusing on for the next few months. So in operation, we'll be coaching you on that piece. So we'll be reviewing that with you. The SOP, so this is the full document, so it's still in development. I have to create that, so that's why you have a blank page here. ProColor System, so that will be reviewed with you and your strategic partner. So the goal is to focus one step at a time. So our focus will be to focus on the step one, which is all of these stuff has to be followed on a daily basis. So we'll coach you on how to do this, and then we'll improve our performance by following the step 2 and then the step 3. Let's continue with the SOP. So if you click here, SOP, you'll see there's 2 sections. The full SOP, so you'll find some chart of accounts, the national limited lifetime warranty, some authorization form that the customer has to sign for pre and post. And then we have some specific SOP, like step by step. So we're showing you how to greet the customer by listing the task that has to be performed at each customers. Then we do have the KPI. So if you want to have a better understanding of specific KPIs, this is some articles for you to review. We do have the work providers piece. So the guidelines of each work provider will be found in this piece here. So rates, anything related to a specific work providers will be available from that tab. And then finally, we are working on a shop onboarding process. So we'll create some documents for you to see what has to be done at each timelines. So 0 to 30 days, 30 to 60 days, and 30 days and plus. So this is an overview, a quick overview of the operation tab. And then under the marketing, you will have the online boutique, which your regional marketing specialist will provide your username and your password. Then you'll have some logos. If you want to pull some logos, you have everything here. The brand guidelines, signage, and this is the local store marketing. So your regional marketing specialist will be able to help you with this piece. And then you have the signature. So create your new signature. So if you want to create a signature for your employees that they don't have access to the hub, that will be done from here. And then again, you do have the news tab, which we reviewed at the beginning of the tutorial today. And then we do have the last piece is the contact us. So if you do have one question and you're not sure who to contact, then you can always review our contact us page. So this was a quick overview of our ProColor Hub. And if you do have any questions, please contact your implementation manager, your strategic partner, developers, or even your regional marketing specialist. Thank you very much and have a nice day.